In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, many people crave a connection to nature within their living spaces. Live edge wood crafts embody this desire, offering a unique blend of artistry and organic beauty. These creations celebrate the raw, unrefined aspects of wood, transforming natural materials into stunning pieces that enhance any environment. The essence of live edge wood. Live edge wood showcases the tree's natural shape and contours, preserving its imperfections and character. This approach celebrates the inherent beauty of the wood, making each piece distinct. By highlighting its organic features, live edge crafts invite a sense of authenticity and warmth into your home. A connection to nature. Integrating live edge wood into your decor fosters a deeper connection to nature. The visual and tactile qualities of the wood evoke feelings of tranquility and grounding. This connection can help create a peaceful atmosphere, encouraging relaxation and mindfulness in your surroundings. Artistic expression. The artistry involved in crafting live edge wood pieces is a testament to the skill and creativity of artisans. Each creation reflects the unique story of the wood, with its knots, grains, and textures narrating a tale of growth and time. This artistic expression adds depth and meaning to any space. Versatile aesthetic appeal. Live edge wood seamlessly complements a variety of design styles, from rustic to contemporary. Its natural elegance enhances both traditional and modern interiors, making it a versatile choice for any decor. This adaptability allows homeowners to experiment with different styles while maintaining a cohesive look. Sustainable design choice. Choosing live edge wood often aligns with sustainable practices. Many artisans source their materials from reclaimed or responsibly harvested wood, reducing environmental impact. By selecting these pieces, consumers can support eco-friendly craftsmanship while enjoying beautiful decor that tells a story of sustainability. Warmth and texture. Live edge wood introduces warmth and texture into any space. The natural tones and varied grains of the wood add visual interest, creating a cozy atmosphere. This tactile quality invites touch and interaction, making spaces feel more inviting and lived in. Timeless appeal. The allure of live edge wood transcends trends, offering a timeless appeal that never goes out of style. As tastes evolve, these pieces remain relevant, maintaining their charm and character. Investing in live edge crafts ensures that your decor will endure, remaining a cherished part of your home for years to come. Enhancing indoor environments. Incorporating live edge wood into your indoor environment can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic. The organic shapes and natural finishes create a harmonious balance, allowing for a seamless flow between different elements of your decor. This enhances not only visual appeal, but also the overall ambience of your space. Fostering creativity. The unique qualities of live edge wood can inspire creativity and innovation in design. Homeowners and decorators alike are drawn to its distinct features, encouraging the exploration of new ideas and concepts. This creative potential can lead to personalized spaces that reflect individual tastes and lifestyles. Natural conversation starters. Live edge wood crafts often serve as focal points within a room, naturally drawing attention and sparking conversation. Their unique characteristics invite guests to engage and admire the craftsmanship. making them excellent additions to social spaces. This quality fosters connection and interaction among those who share the environment. Balance of nature and modernity. The fusion of live edge wood with contemporary design elements creates a striking balance between nature and modernity. This juxtaposition allows homeowners to embrace both natural beauty and modern aesthetics, resulting in spaces that are both stylish and grounded. Such harmony can elevate the overall experience of a room. Maintenance and longevity. With proper care, live edge wood crafts can last for generations, becoming cherished heirlooms. Maintenance is straightforward, often requiring minimal effort to preserve their beauty. By investing in these pieces, you're not only enhancing your space, but also embracing a legacy of craftsmanship and natural elegance. Conclusion. Live edge wood crafts offer an organic touch that enriches any environment, creating spaces filled with warmth, character, and connection to nature. By celebrating the unique qualities of wood, these pieces transform interiors into serene retreats. Embracing live edge craftsmanship not only enhances your decor, but also nurtures a deeper appreciation for the natural world around us. If you're inspired by the beauty and elegance of live edge wood crafts and want to stay updated on the latest trends, tips, and creative ideas for incorporating natural elements into your space, consider subscribing to our newsletter. Join a community of enthusiasts who appreciate the artistry of nature and receive regular insights that will help you enrich your home with organic charm and timeless style. Embrace the journey of transforming your living environment into a sanctuary of warmth,